With the benefit of the Royal Project today, we can enjoy so many crops and goods that used to be imported from overseas. In front of me right here is the selective items that we got it from the Royal Project shop. Today, we're gonna make some exotic Thai cuisine out of all these ingredients. Let's see how we can do that. In front of me today is all these ingredients that we're going to be using in the top Thai cuisine, which is going to be tom yam gung, แกงเขียวหวาน มัสมั่น ส้มตำ and many more. Come and enjoy and see what we have for you today. White garlic chop is a process of green chops that being covered from the sun. Today we're going to use this in pad Thai dish, and in place of the green chops, use this white one, which have more health opportunity than the green one and more tasty and more crispy. Sometimes you make แกงเขียวหวาน it's hard to find the eggplant. This can be substitute for eggplant. The texture and the color can also make the แกงเขียวหวาน more bright in color also. Masaman always have the taste of the sweetness. We're gonna use the sweet potato to mull up the sweetness and bring the color out the curry. Jalapeno pepper. It's a Mexican pepper. We're going to be blending a Thai max dish in the tom kha gai. This bright color of tomatoes gonna push out my tom yam gung to be some more exotic and more spice in the taste. Thai rice, Thai life. Thai people eat rice. Rice play a major role in Thai cuisine. In front of me is a few type of rice that are available in Thailand. We have jasmine rice, brown rice, riceberry rice, manpu rice, and sticky rice. A complete meal in Thailand can never be out of four of this style of dishes. We call it tom, pat, gang, tod, which means soup, stir fry, curry, and deep fries. Four style of dishes to complete a Thai meal.